Today I'm showing you another property in the very popular Uitenbos estate. Let's go have a look inside. You'll find your open plan living and dining room space. Let's have a look at your master suite. Nice and spacious, tiled flooring. With your built-in cupboards. And your full bathroom. Let's go and have a look at the rest of the house. As you can see, it's nice and spacious. With your open plan kitchen, your granite tops, space for all your appliances. And it flows to your enclosed bra area. Let's go and have a look at the 2 bedrooms upstairs. You'll find your 2nd bedroom. Your 2nd bathroom consisting of a basin, toilet and a bathtub with your shower head, and your 3rd bedroom. This well-priced unit in Uitenbos estate in Mossel Bay is now up for sale.